Hello, this tutorial shows you how to run top AI models for free in one place, Arena AI. The video is a breakdown of the steps below. Step 1, AI web search in battle mode. Step 2, image generator in comparison mode. Step 3, edit image using Gemini 3 Pro and Flux 2. Step 4, create apps or a website with no code. Step 5, generate AI videos for free using the best AI video generation models. So, by clicking on the timestamps, you can easily navigate to the content that best suits your needs. Open your web browser and type Arena AI. Hit enter. And on my opinion, we are in the most powerful AI place. Let's easily log in with the Google account and start demonstrating the top AI models features. Let me quickly introduce the AI tools we have here. Upload image or PDF. At this time Arena AI supports the following file types, other file type planned in the future. Automatically detect modality. Auto mode automatically directs you to the appropriate modality, based on your prompt, eliminating the need for manual selection. So, I prefer to keep it always on. I will demonstrate all the other tools with the examples. Web search. Generate images. Build apps and websites. Generate videos. Step 1, AI web search in battle mode. In battle mode, you will receive 2 anonymous AI models answers. Let's choose the web search, and just simply search for the best image creation tool 2026. AI web search uses artificial intelligence to improve traditional search engines' functions, offering clearer, more concise, and summarized answers, instead of just a bunch of links. Review their responses, and choose the one that best meets your needs. I can say that left is better. It's a shorter and simpler version. After the voting, the true identities of the AI models come out. So, you can keep the right AI model for your needs, and continue with it. Before we move on, here's a quick resource, if you'd like to learn more about writing better AI prompts.
Most people use AI. Few know how to control it. Ready to move from testing AI to mastering it? If AI feels confusing, you're not alone. Most people think learning AI requires coding and technical skills. The AI workshop breaks everything down step by step. No coding, no overwhelm. Learn prompt engineering and how to apply AI to real business strategies. Ready to master AI? Get the AI workshop using the link below.
If you purchase through my affiliate link, I may earn a small commission, at no additional cost to you. Thanks for your support. Now let's proceed to step 2, AI image generator in comparison mode. Okay, let's create an image, using the text-to-image option in side-by-side mode. It is the same as comparing the 2 image creator models of your choice. We can select the side-by-side mode, and choose favorite models manually. Or simply select the image generation option, and it automatically gives the best recommended models for image creation. We can also check it with the leaderboard, and easily choose the best AI image generator from this list. To choose the most suitable AI tool for creating images, you can apply special filters. Okay, let's create some images using this AI text-to-image tool. I keep the Gemini 3 Pro image tool. And for the second one, I choose Flux 2. Add your prompt to the box, and hit enter to create the image. The image has been successfully generated, using an image generator AI. Step 3, edit image using Gemini 3 Pro and Flux 2. I like the second image, so let's make a small correction. Go ahead and click on the edit button, to edit the image. The image has been added to the chat, and now we can make some adjustments. I would like to remove the background and change the fonts. The image has been successfully regenerated. I got the YouTube subscribe button with a transparent background. So you can just follow the image and subscribe to my channel.
It's me again, guys, it's me.
Here is the button to download the image to your computer. Step 4. Create apps or a website with no code. Let's use direct chat for creating website things. Choose Build Apps and Websites from the chat menu. Then choose the AI model. And add a new task, to build a Pomodoro timer, with a customized background. For those unfamiliar, the Pomodoro technique is a popular time management strategy. You can look it up later, it's really useful to know. A great looking Pomodoro timer has been done. This is the reality best place to create website elements like this. As you see, it is with a customable background. And the most exciting part is, that everything is accomplished without requiring any programming skills. All settings are working without a hitch. If you wish, you can find all the file details here. And also copy the full HTML source code. And download all project files. Step 5. Generate AI videos for free using the best AI video generation models. To create a video, switch it to battle mode. Then select Generate Videos. Add your text-to-video script to the prompt box. And hit Enter to create a video. Wait for the AI to create and render the video. Done, videos have been created successfully. It is usually taken 30-60 seconds for simple videos. Or few minutes for detailed ones. This concludes the demonstration of how to run top AI models for free in one place.
Don't forget to subscribe at MA2.
Thanks for watching. If that sounds like something that could help you, then make sure to join me, subscribe to my channel with notifications, and be the first who gets more great tips and tricks.